Hello everyone, we are solving question number 62 of GATE 2024 psychology paper, and the question is, which of the following are related to reliability? How reliable a data is, how you can actually assess. So reliability itself means how accurate. It says talks about the accuracy of the data. So a test is administered to same set of people in two different occasions. A test administered uh, once is scored by two or more than two evaluators. A test administered once is scored by splitting it into two equal halves. A test measures what it intends to measure. So among the options, if you see very clearly, then all the first three options are correct, whereas the last option, that is a test measures what it intends to measure, is validity. It is not reliability, it is validity. This is the definition of validity and not reliability.